Hello everyone, how's your thoughts back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you can you send videos through Google Chat to your friend or anyone. So let's see, if you go to an inbox like in your friend or stranger, so then if you click here, through this option we send photos and many things. So simply click the plus icon, but after that photos, camera, gif, meet link, there are some option here. Okay, but is it possible to send videos? Yes, the answer is yes, you can send the videos. How can you send? You can see the photos. So photos is, you can also send the videos through this. For example, it's, you have to choose the file manager. Okay, I'm just going to, it's called videos. I'm just going to videos, and there is, and here are two videos. So I simply select the one, and then you can see this is a video file. Once I click send, and it will be sent to my friend. So it's perfectly sent. It takes a few moments to processing. It depends on your video duration. Or you can send other way, like when you click a plus icon, then you can see the drive. So if your video so long, then you can share through drive. Okay, you can upload your videos on Google Drive and copy the link and send the link to your friend through this, and it's really easy to send. So okay friend, today's no one, thank you for watching the video.